The entire tech world has been completely fooled. For the last 3 years, everyone thought Apple simply gave up on the Apple TV. They called it a dead product. They thought Apple stopped caring about the living room completely. But that was a massive lie. Apple was not ignoring the TV. They were quietly building a master plan that is about to destroy every other streaming device on the market. A massive leak just dropped, and it exposes everything. Millions of brand new Apple TV units are already sitting in hidden warehouses right now. The release date has completely shocked the industry. The upgrades are so insane that they will change how you watch movies, play games, and run your home forever. This is the biggest leak we have seen all year, and it is going to blow your mind. You need to know exactly what is coming before you buy another piece of tech for your house. To understand this massive leak, you have to look at the huge problem Apple is facing right now. The Apple TV currently sitting in your house is running on borrowed time. It uses the exact same A15 chip that came out with the iPhone 13. That was years ago. In the tech world, a 3-year-old chip is a dinosaur. For months, top leakers kept promising a new version was coming. They said it would launch last Christmas. Then they said it would launch early this year. Every single time, the launch was canceled. People were incredibly frustrated. But Apple pulled the plug on those launches for one very specific, genius reason. They realized a simple speed bump was not enough. They needed to prepare for the biggest software revolution in the history of the company. That revolution is Apple Intelligence. At WWDC 2026, Apple is going to reveal tvOS 27. This is not just a normal software update. This is a complete takeover of your living room. Apple is introducing a highly advanced version of Siri that will actually understand you perfectly. It will know your movie tastes. It will control your smart home with zero lag. It will answer complex questions instantly. But here's the massive catch. The old Apple TV simply cannot run Apple Intelligence. It is physically impossible. The old A15 chip completely lacks the neural processing power to handle real artificial intelligence. Because of this, Apple literally cannot launch their new software without putting out a brand new, insanely powerful box first. That brings us to the craziest part of this leak. The hardware upgrades are absolutely massive. Apple is taking the brain of a premium device and shoving it into this tiny streaming box. Reliable industry insiders confirm the 2026 Apple TV will be powered by the A17 Pro chip. This is the exact same powerhouse processor found in the newest iPad mini. It features a blazing fast 6-core CPU and a 4-core GPU. This is an unheard of amount of power for a simple television accessory. But speed is not the only thing you need for AI. You need memory. The current Apple TV models are starved for RAM. Apple Intelligence requires a strict minimum of 8 gigabytes of RAM to function properly. Because of this hard limit, Apple is forced to double the memory in the new Apple TV. This means your TV interface is going to fly. Menus will load instantly. App switching will happen in the blink of an eye. Because of this strict software timeline, the release date is happening much sooner than anyone expected. Mark Gurman, the most accurate Apple leaker on the planet, has confirmed the devices are already manufactured. They are packed up and ready to ship to stores today. We are looking at 2 highly realistic launch scenarios. First, Apple could drop a silent press release any day now. You might literally check the news tomorrow and see the new Apple TV available to buy on their website. The second scenario is that Apple saves the big reveal for WWDC 2026. They will show off the crazy new AI software on stage, and then immediately announce that the new hardware is available today. They have to do this. Software developers urgently need the new hardware right now. They cannot build and test complex AI apps on the old A15 chip. They need the A17 Pro in their hands months before the software goes public in the fall. The launch is completely unavoidable at this point. But wait, because there is a huge secret hiding inside this new chip. The A17 Pro is Apple's very first mobile processor to support hardware-accelerated ray tracing. Ray tracing is the ultra-realistic lighting technology used in high-end consoles like the PlayStation 5. By putting this chip in the Apple TV, Apple is secretly turning it into a very capable gaming console. If Apple pushes their gaming subscription service hard this year, this little box could rival a Nintendo Switch. Because AAA games require massive amounts of space, this gaming push could force Apple to increase the storage limits. We could see the base model jump from 64 gigabytes all the way up to 128 gigabytes or higher. If you love gaming, this is the ultimate living room upgrade. Even if you do not care about gaming, the home theater upgrades are totally game-changing. Leaks strongly suggest this new model will finally support full HDMI pass-through. This means your expensive surround sound system will get pure, uncompressed, lossless audio directly from the source. Your movies are going to sound absolutely massive. As for the design, the black box will likely look very similar to the old one. Apple might just switch to recycled aluminum or new eco-friendly plastics to help the environment. But the absolute best part of this entire leak is the price tag. Because Apple is reusing the A17 Pro chip, they save a fortune on manufacturing costs. They're expected to pass those savings directly to you. The base model is heavily rumored to stay at its incredibly low price of just $140. In my honest opinion, this is the most exciting product Apple is releasing this year. It completely redefines what a streaming box should be. You are getting a premium AI hub, a lightning-fast streaming device, and a secret gaming console all wrapped into one tiny package for under $150. It is an absolute bargain. The new voice search alone is going to save you so much time and frustration. It is time to throw away those slow, clunky streaming sticks. If you have been waiting to upgrade your living room, your wait is officially over. This is the device you need. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon like that, and give your best opinion about this product.